What's guys, I'm back to Nicholas Q. Today I'm going to be showing all my fidget toys. So, do you want to help me? So firstly, I don't know this what it's called, but it's very fidgety. And we have these two poppets.
Potential storm. A check of your hyperlocal forecast is coming up. Plus, this week's weather has created vaccine shipping issues here.
No, don't show me that. And then we have the heart poppet. And we have this thing on my jig.
Across the island, winter storms in our area and around the country this week, delaying the arrival of vaccine shipments until next week.
And we have the monkey noodle.
Well, the vaccination site here at the Yes We Can Community Center in Westbury was closed.
Two monkey noodles, actually.
It's back up and running today, but operations are still not in full swing. That's because of shipping delays caused by...
And it has 3 marble and meshes.
Now, according to NASA officials, that means county-run vaccination sites like this...
I want to show you the marble and mesh. You could see a little ball going in there like that. And we have a fidget pad.
Happening as some senior citizens are still unable to make an appointment to get their first shot, and they say it's frustrating to still be waiting after all this time.
I think it's terrible. I mean, in this day and age, they should be getting it to us. And they said that, you know, the president said by the end of July. That's a long way off, especially for us older people.
This is one of my dream fidgets. We have a bunch of mochis. I can't even count how many, but we got a lot. And we have like this deer mochi. We have this like cow mochi. We have this hedgehog mochi. We have like a bear mochi, I think. A penguin mochi. And the alligator mochi.
Sadly, there were also 97 deaths. 8 of those deaths were in Nassau County.
And then we have like a puzzle ball.
Positivity rate over the last
I have this puzzle thing too.
Meanwhile, all eyes are on Governor Cuomo as
I don't know how to do that, but
look into thousands
we have 2 Rubik's Cubes.
A growing number of lawmakers also calling for an impeachment trial to delve further.
Nick, what about this?
What's up?
Here on the island, it is personal.
Nick, what about this room too?
Oh yeah, and we have another one of the yellow square puzzle thing, whatever it is. And then we also have a bunch of fidget spinners.
Yep. Bunch of spinners. And where? Oh, I didn't. Don't win.
I don't know.
Use them against them. The U.S. is nearing the grim milestone of 500,000 coronavirus deaths. New infections are coming down. She says what the country and the world desperately need.
Gigi, can you look at the couch like that?
Like this?
Yeah. Like that?
I do.
Ow!
What?
These things are sharp. I got cut by that thing right there.
I didn't.
And then we got the, last but not least, the purple one. These are all my fidgets. And I want to show you guys one more.
Fries
Any of
too.
you that are a fan of Juice WRLD, we got this at the mall because it was my birthday. Does it have the 999 sign anywhere? Okay, I'm just gonna look for that now.
You don't want to go cheese?
No. No.
Are you gonna have one? The 4 slices is good?
No 999 sign.
And if you like a scissor,
Bye guys.
if you have a scissor,
Gigi, touch which one is your favorite.
one.
Just touch any. Which
Any
one?
toy?
That's your favorite.
This.
Your purple?
I think that is a diamond.
Want it?
Yes, please.
And then my favorite, I honestly, is a fidget pad.
Iggy, you want to keep it?
And okay. And this thingamajig and the pop it. I feel like there's like a couple more fidgets